In today's lesson, we will learn alphabets in German, greetings, recap of concepts via quiz. Hey guys, this is Anmol and today we are going to learn German. See over here, as you can see, this is the map of Germany and the capital of Germany is Berlin, and in German it is known as Berlin, just that the pronunciation is changed, the spelling remains the same. Okay, now here's some basic knowledge. See, Germany in German language is called Deutschland. Okay, and the word German in German is known as Deutschland, and the capital of Germany is Berlin, and in German language we pronounce it as Berlin. Okay, let's move to the next one now. Now these are the alphabets in German. So A is pronounced as A, P, C, D, A, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, O, U, and this is the S set. It is similar to the beta sign in the Greek alphabet. Okay, now see, J in German is pronounced as Y. Okay, V is pronounced as the letter F in English, and Z is pronounced as Z. S, sorry. And there is one more thing which I want you guys to note. EI is pronounced as I, and IE is pronounced as E. Okay. Now of this thing, na EI and I'm gonna give you the examples in this slide only. Okay. Let's move ahead. Die Begrüßungen or greetings. So now we are going to do greetings in German. Hallo. Hallo is hello. Okay? In English. Hallo. Grüß dich. Noch einmal. Once again. Grüß dich. It is hi or hello in informal. So if you want to wish someone hello in informal in German, then you say Grüß dich oder or hallo. Grüß Sie. Grüß Sie is formal, which we can use for our elders or teachers, or if we are meeting someone for the first time. Is hello or hi informal. Willkommen. Once again, willkommen. Willkommen is welcome. It is used when we want to welcome someone. Okay. Like let's say if someone has come to our house, there's a guest at our house, and we say welcome. Okay. So that's willkommen when we are being welcoming to a person. Okay. Willkommen. It's willkommen. Now let's move to the next slide. Now, in order to wish someone good morning, we'll say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. For good afternoon or good day, you'll say Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Now, for good evening, you'll say Guten Abend. Noch einmal Guten Abend. And let's say if we want to say someone good night, then we will say Gute Nacht. Now you all must be wondering that why aren't we saying Guten Nacht? See, it is not Guten Nacht, it's Gute Nacht, Gute Nacht. That's how the language it is. Please do not put an end at the end of Nacht. That would be wrong. Okay? Gute Nacht. See, it is not, it is Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend, but not Guten Nacht. It is Gute Nacht. So please make a note of the same. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one we have right here is Wie geht es dir? I repeat, Wie geht es dir? It means how are you in formal. Okay. There's another way of writing it. I'll just write it for you people so that it's easy. We can also say Wie geht's dir? Okay, but it's better to use a full form, right? But this also you should know. Let's move to the next one now. The next one is bitter. Bitter is please or you're welcome. Let's say if you're requesting someone, then we use bitter. Okay, and let's say if someone has said thank you to us, we will then also use bitter. Now this is auf Wiedersehen, when we are saying goodbye to someone. Now over here in this word, as you can notice, IE will be pronounced to E and not I. Okay, it will be E. So please make a note of the same. Now let's move to the next one. The next one we have few phrases. Tschüss, noch einmal, tschüss, bis bald, bis später, ciao. Okay. Now these are the few alternatives if we want to say goodbye in formal. Okay. To our friends, okay, or to someone who is younger to us. Now choose can be written with a single s as well. Bis bald is see you later. Same with bis später. Now please make a note of one thing. Now it is ciao and not ciao. Ciao is basically an Italian way of saying goodbye, but it is also used in German. The next one we have is auf Wiederhören. Let's say if we are talking to someone and then we'll say, and we want to say goodbye in German, then we'll say auf Wiederhören. Okay, or talk to you later. Now, if we want to say someone thank you, then we'll say danke. Once again, danke. Now, let's say if we owe an apology to someone, then we'll say tut mir leid, that is sorry. Noch einmal, tut mir leid. Now, EI is pronounced as I in German, okay, as I told you. So it is I, tut mir leid, not tut mir leid. That's wrong. We'll say tut mir leid. Now, these are the greetings at a glance. Hallo is hello. Grüß dich is hello or hi informal. Grüß Sie is hello or hi formal. Willkommen is welcome. Guten Morgen is good morning. Guten Tag is good day or good afternoon. Well, let's say if you want to wish someone a good day, then we say Guten Tag. Guten Abend is good evening and Gute Nacht is good night. We will not say Guten Nacht, it's Gute Nacht. But all the other greetings like Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend will have an end at the end, okay? Wie geht es dir is how are you. Bitter is please or you're welcome. Auf Wiedersehen is bye formal. Tschüss, bis bald, bis später. Ciao is bye informal. Auf Wiederhören is bye on phone. Danke is thanks. Tut mir leid is sorry. So guys, now I have a quiz. So in this quiz, I have few questions for you people and I want you to answer the questions. I'll just tell you the questions. Now, what is Germany called in German? That I discussed in the starting. So you need to apply your thinking caps and see what do we call Germany in German. What is German called in German language? Okay. Now, how many alphabets are there in German language, including the umlauts and the set sign? Okay. Now, see these letters A and the letters which I discussed to you. They are known as the umlauts. Okay. The next question we have is, what is the word greeting called in German? Okay, what do we say if we want to greet someone informally in German? So you have to give any one greeting to remember. So this is the quiz continued. If we want to greet someone formally in German, what will we say? Let's say if we want to say hi to someone, then what will we say? Just try to recap a little. If you want apology to someone, how will we apologize in German? So this we just discussed now. What do we say the following in German? Good morning, good day or good afternoon, good evening, good night. Now I'm giving you a little hint. Please be careful with good night. Okay? How do we say bye to a friend in German? Now you need to mention two ways. There are around four ways I've taught you in this PPT, but you can mention any two ways you like. How do we say bye to our elders? That is formal in German. Okay. How do we say bye formally in German? How do we say bye on a phone call? This is very important, huh? What do we say you're welcome in German? This is also important. So guys, this was it for the video. Cheers.